Welcome to Trading Lounge and the Indian report for the 14th of August. And this is the daily chart here. Let me just clean this up a little bit. We don't need these here. And the structure to the upside is still impulsing to the upside. So we still need to see, wave 1 here, 2 here, 1 here, 2 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the third wave, fourth wave and fifth wave for the third wave, ABC back for the fourth and up for the fifth here, and then we'll see a larger ABC pattern here for wave 2, and then moving higher there. I'm just don't hold me to this here, but we're looking for a decent correction at this point here. So a classic trading levels pattern really across the medium level here, 11,500. So the classic trading levels pattern looks like it's not going to open, not to worry. So we're looking at here as the arrival, the reaction here in 3 waves, which will be the wave 4 here, and then the wave 5 to the upside here for the first high above the level, and then the A, the B, and the C here, the classic trading levels pattern, then up from that point. So that's what we're looking at. Across here, we're looking at this with global markets. I was looking at this here on the BSE here. So here it's really quite clear as well. We've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here for wave 1 and back for wave 2 here, then wave 1 and 2 here, and then you can see that we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here for the third wave, the fourth wave, and the fifth wave to come in here for the third, then the fourth, and then the fifth wave here that can take us up above the 4,000 on the BSE anyway. So that's the count. It's really quite clear. Shouldn't be a problem. Let's just dive in and have a closer look at this here. So from this wave 4 to this wave 5 here, the extensions in wave 3 here, so wave 1 and wave 5 can normally be the same length, but that said, we are approaching this large number here, 11,500. Probably doesn't mean, you wouldn't think that it's a big number or anything, but it plays out. We can just see here, you can see the importance of it here. It's really the balance point for what's been going on here at the previous high here. But let's pick it up from the 4-hour chart and then the 1-hour chart. So here we're looking at wave 3, wave 4 here, and then up for wave 5 here. So I think we've got we need to make another high above here. So we'll go in and have a little bit of a look, but the 11,500 is the target. It's just trying to develop support on top of group 1 here, because it's 300. So if you know your trading levels, if you don't know trading levels, then go to Trading Lounge. If you remember, you can get the full course there, but otherwise there should be something on the front website there. But getting support on top of number 3 here, getting a nice tested support there, and then making a new high here normally takes us to the next level, which is 5 here. So from that point, I'll just go into the hourly chart here. From wave 4 here, it's clear that we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here for wave 1, and then wave 2 here. Now wave 3 here I'm a little bit unsure about. I can see from wave 4 to wave 5 here, I can see we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here. That's not a problem. We've got 5 waves in that structure. Getting it in here though, do we count this as 1, ABC for 2 here, and then up for 3 here, an A and a B and a C for wave 4 here. All a little bit tight and a bit squashy. And then wave 5 takes off here nicely here. So maybe this could be interpreted, if I've made a mistake, then this is probably where it's been made from. But I always like to venture on the conservative side of things, and that way I'm not disappointed if it doesn't reach targets and so on. So this said here, it's well, yeah, I mean, this all could be interpreted a little bit differently. But look, if this moves up through here, this high here, you can go along from that point there. And will it reach the 500? I just don't know. But technically, that's what we should see. This, if we even take the accumulation process from this high all the way across here, then we should be heading up high. But taking profit anyway, anywhere around the 400, and wait for the 400 to become the support, and then you can move up from that point there. So yeah, look, wave 4 to wave 5 here, wave 5 of 3 here. So we're looking for a top. Unless a market, if the market is leading, if a product or market is leading, then the top normally finishes quite well. But if you're a following stock or a following market, then your wave structure can be cut a little bit short because it's pulled by other markets. So be very mindful about that. Any move below the 200 here in this instance would be, the 200 as the retested resistance would see the top of the trend play out, would be completed at that point, and we can start moving down from that point. But otherwise, we'll look for a little bit further upside there. Alrighty, I'm just going to leave it at that, all pretty simple, and thanks for tuning in. Cheers.